A new modern design classic, the Horizon LED task light floats an ultra-thin, luminous plane of light above a desk or table. Designed by Peter Stathis and Michael McCoy for human scale, Horizon is a striking fusion of form and function. It's also the embodiment of a breakthrough lighting innovation: thin film LED technology. The unique properties of this new technology produce a soft, single-shadow, glare-free light ideal for both pixels and paper. The spherical joints in Horizon's base and head allow easy, smooth movement. The built-in dimmer offers 7 levels of illumination, including a special nightlight setting that uses less than 1 watt. At its highest setting, Horizon uses 9 watts, making it one of the most energy-efficient lights on the market. Horizon's LEDs are rated for 50,000 hours. That's up to 25 years in 9-to-5 use. What's more, due to its energy efficiency and 95% recyclable content, Horizon may contribute to valuable LEED credits. Winner of 9 international awards, including the prestigious Red Dot Award for product design, Horizon offers state-of-the-art ergonomic illumination in a classic, minimalist design that complements any decor or environment.